Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419. Excited to announce a new addition to our product lineup. They are 2Vets tripods complete with ARCALOCK. So we've been contemplating how to do this for years. How do we bring tripods into our product mix to go with our ever-growing, ever-popular ARCALOCK setup? If you want to know more about our ARCALOCK products, go to the link in the description. We just shot a new video with all of the new things that we are adding to that system. So when it was time for tripods, got a hold of my friend Dan McNamee. He's been doing a great job with 2Vets tripods for years and said, how do we do this? How do we make them ARCALOCK? How do we make them right? And here's what we came to. We're going to add 3 of his tripods to our lineup. All 3 will come with his 55mm ball head and an ARCALOCK clamp adapted to it so that you can get all of the features of ARCALOCK, all of that security, a great 2-stage fast knob, and a tripod that is effective, efficient, fits your need, and won't break the bank. We're going to start with the kit. This guy is the shortest, most packable. It's the lightest of the handful. If you are a hunter or you want something that can run a little bit of dual use, whether it's match or going out somewhere, you're a hiker, you need something smaller, lighter, more packable, the kit is really a cool tripod. Breaks down, easy to pack. On all of these, we'll have their collapsed length, their extended length, their weight specs, all in their product descriptions. Again, those will be in links down below. But this is the kit. It's the shortest, it's lightest, it's the most broken down. This is a really cool one for you guys in the hunting crowd. Then we've got the Recon V2. If you want to do-it-all tripod, this is the do-it-all tripod. It's a little more robust than the kit, gets a little bit taller, doesn't pack down quite as far, but still gets you into a nice, moderate, all-purpose, do-everything tripod. If you can own one tripod, this is probably the tripod that you're going to want. Again, 55mm ball heads, got independent pan, comes with an ARCALOCK clamp. This guy's really solid all around. And then we have the big boy. If you want a tripod that is specifically dedicated to PRS match shooting, the one that you want is the QDT V2. She's a monster. This is fully collapsed, so if you're shooting stages that require all of your gear to be fully collapsed, this guy is pull out the legs and you're ready to go at like a kneeling height. Another nice thing about this, having that initial leg being very long, if you've got one of the tripod caddies from like Armageddon Gear, it all fits in this single leg section so that you don't have issues when you're breaking down the tripod or pulling it back out, running into that tripod caddy. This thing is really, really stout. I do the thing where I'd hang from it, but everybody's already done that. It can support a lot of weight. You can't do anything to this to hurt it or break it. It's been robust. I've had one that I've been running in matches for a long time. Zach, Nathan, this is the tripod of choice if you are shooting matches. And again, guys, all the prices, all the details on extended and broken down lengths, all the weights, they're going to be in the product descriptions that you're going to find at links below. We're excited about this. We think it's finally allowing us to offer a complete system from your rail, your head, your tripod. Let's get that rifle fully supported with the ARCALOCK system, and we're excited to be doing this with 2Vets. So guys, any questions you have, put them in the comments below. Until next time.